welcome to my channel, and if it is your first time here, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss when I post new videos on different tutorials. And today's tutorials I'm gonna sharing with you on how to create your multiple identity cards by using your Photoshop. So to begin with, I have prepared this sample of an ID card and this sample of pictures where we can use to that ID card, and also I have this Excel data that contain names of those students and their related data. So first of all, we need to open our Photoshop and we need to open that sample of our ID card, which is this one. Then we have to create some text layers that will hold our variables. Now that we are done, then we have to create a placeholder for our image, and to do that we are going to add a new layer. If you come down here, you'll find this button and then create a new layer, and let's name it add photo. Okay, so we have to create that. Perfect now. So we have to create our variables. Okay, go to image, variable, and then define. Here we have seen the layer, so we have to select the pixel replacement, and this represents our photo. So we have to name as it looks like here, so they gotta have the same name. Okay, this will be photo. File. After creating our variables, now we have to do one thing. Come back to my Excel here, where I have this regional name, gender, course, year of study, and the photo of each student. What we are going to do with this data, we are going to save it as a text file. So save as text file, this one, text file tab delimited. Okay, choose this and save this, then we can close this. So we have this Excel file and we have this text file. What we are going to use is this one, text file.